Hello guys, welcome to lesson 72, Finding Information to Solve Problems. So today we're going to be looking at two important word problems. And I know that we've done similar problems before, but I want you to pay special attention today about all of what is necessary to read and pay close attention to for each word problem. It's going to be something that you'll see when word problems or graphs or some sort of picture includes information that you might not even really need to see, but it's going to be there, maybe to trick you a little bit. So, we're going to start out with this one together. Our instructions are to read the information and then answer the questions that follow, which are A, B, and C. Here we go. The school elections were held on Friday, February 2nd. Tahana, Lily, and Tyreek ran for president. Lily received 146 votes, and Tahana received 117 votes. Tyreek received 35 more votes than Tahana. Okay, we've got our information. I'm thinking about it for a second. Now I'm going to go to question A. How many votes did Tyreek receive? Now, we don't have a number for Tyreek's amount of votes, so we need to look at how to find it. Tyreek received 35 more votes than Tahana. So we're going to take Tahana's votes, which is 117, and we're going to add 35 to it. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And I'm bringing down my 1. So Tyreek received 152 votes. Oh boy. Okay. Question B. Who out of those three candidates received the most votes? Now we know that Lily received 146 votes, Tahana received 117 votes, and Tyreek now received 152 votes. The candidate that received the most votes is Tyreek. Yay! Congratulations. All right, question C. A little bit different. No longer are we worrying about the votes. We're talking about when the speeches were given. So speeches were given on the Tuesday before the elections. What was the date on which these speeches were given? So we have to go back to that problem and figure out what is the important information to note. The school elections were held on Friday, February 2nd. And these speeches were given on Tuesday before the elections. So let's ask ourselves first, how many days before Friday is Tuesday? We have Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So 3 days before that election, it was Tuesday. So let's find out now how we can go from February 2nd to 3 days before that. So what is the month before February? It is January. Oh boy, that handwriting. It's January, and January has how many days in that month? There are 31 days in that month. So, Thursday, February 1st, would have been 1 day prior to the election. Wednesday, January 31st, would have been 2 days prior to that election. Tuesday, January 30th, would have been the day of the speeches. So I'm going to erase some of my information here. Give it a big old erase. Oh yeah, there we go. Get it all nice and gone. And I'm going to write my answer, which is Tuesday, January 30th. Woohoo! Okay, one more.